Mr. Dlamini?
Yes, please, my Lord, I confirm appearance on behalf of number one.
Is that Mr. Van Wyk? Is that Mr. Van Wyk?
Yes.
That is accused number?
Accused number
2. Thank you.
I confirm appearance on behalf of accused number 3 and 6.
3 and 6.
3 and 6.
Thanks, Mr. Makube.
As the court pleases, my lord, I appeal for accused number 4 on a brief from Brian Ismail Athens.
Thanks, Mr. Deba. You say accused number 4?
Number 4, my lord.
Thank you.
As it pleases the court, my lord, Mohammed Sidat appear for accused number 7. I'm coming on record today.
Accused number 7.
Accused number 7, Your Worship. Brief from Sally Attorneys.
Thank you, Mr. Sidat.
As the court pleases, my lord.
As the court pleases, my lord, I'm Mr. Teiho from Teiho Attorneys. I confirm that I'm on record for accused number 8.
Accused number 8.
If, however, my lord, I apply that I be, my mandate has come to an end. I apply that I be excused from these proceedings. I formally withdraw.
Are you withdrawing as attorney for
Yes,
accused number
I
8?
understand this. Accused number 8 has procured another legal representative.
You haven't filed a formal notice, isn't it?
I did not file a formal notice, my lord, hence my presence here today.
Ms. Bester?
I only received a formal notice of his withdrawal.
Thanks, Ms. Bester. You are then excused, Mr. Taylor.
I'm indebted to the court, my lord. The court pleases.
As the court pleases, my lord, I confirm that I have received instructions to appear on behalf of accused number 8 in this matter.
You are also the instructing attorney.
I'm also
to
the
Mr.
instructing
Dlamini.
attorney, my lord, in respect of accused number 1.
Yes.
As the court pleases.
So now you on record for accused number?
Number 8, my lord.
Thanks, Mr.
As the court pleases.
So I've been adding my notes. Every time the attorneys stand up, they say, I appear on behalf of accused number 1. I appear on accused number 2, and so on and so on and so forth. But then when we got to accused number 8, and accused number 8 is Thabo Bester. So let's start off with, but I want to give a disclaimer. This is an entertainment channel, and on this channel, we break down anything that is entertainment worthy on any crimes that are happening here in South Africa. And for that reason, we are not experts. I am not an attorney, lawyer, judge, or any of the sort. There have been a lot of chaotic comments lately. I have had to mute one person, namely Xolani, just simply because I don't think we understand the concept of, airing our opinions. This is my channel, and this is how I express my thoughts out loud in video form. And today, I want to ask a question because I am so curious. So I hope somebody will be able to help us in the comment section between the difference when they say, I appear on behalf of accused number 1. In this case, accused number 1 is Nandipha Magudumana. And when the attorney stands up at the end for accused number 8, he says, I am the instructing attorney as well for accused number 1. Now, stay with me. So, Thabo Bester's lawyer appears for Thabo Bester, accused number 8. But secondly, he is also the instructing attorney for Nandipha Magudumana. Are you guys picking up what I'm putting down here? And once again, I am not a legal student. I have not gone to legal court. This is just my opinions and something that stood out to me. So I'd really like to ask for clarification, especially if you're in the law world. What is the difference? What is going on here? So the same lawyer can represent two people who seemingly in the docks, no longer friends, where Nandipha literally threw Thabo Bester under the bus and said that she was forced out of the country by him. She didn't know where they were going, and he forced her into the vehicle without her will, and she was defenseless and had no choice but to go with him. But then now they have the same lawyer. How does that work? That is so confusing for me. So is this a strategy that the lawyers have in play? Is this something that is meant to distract us? I saw a lot of comments that were saying it's just an act. They definitely are following the instructions from their lawyers. So I'm beginning to think that makes sense now, because Nandipha, accused number 1, instructing lawyer is Thabo Bester's lawyer, but he is not appearing on her behalf, but he is instructing on her behalf. What does that mean? Somebody help us in the comment section, please.
May it please the Honourable Court, my Lord, I have been asked by Mr. Tusi, who could not be present today, to formally withdraw in respect of accused number 9.
Accused number 9.
As the court please, my Lord.
May it please the court, my lord. My apologies.
That's number 5.
Accused number
Who's
9.
appearing for accused number 5?
May it please the court, my lord. Number 5 applied for legal aid. Yes. So we are representing accused number 5 and then as well as accused number 9, my lord.
Accused
So
5
both and number 9. They both applied for legal aid today, my lord. So we are granting legal aid. As it pleases the court.
Mr. Tuzi, I don't know what is his surname. It's known as Tuzi. He phoned me yesterday and he informed me that he is going to ask Mr. Diba to stand in for him to withdraw on his behalf, my lord. But I just think we must get everything on record. Previously, for accused number 7, there were 2 lawyers involved, Mr. Jan Loubser as well as Mr. Mattia. Both of them filed notices regarding the withdrawal of them. And then we also received a withdrawal from Mr. Kunani, and Mr. Kunani was on behalf of accused, now I can't remember. That we are going to postpone this matter, my lord, if it's in order with everyone, up until the 5th of June for purposes of pre-trial.
9th of June.
No, the 5th of June.
The 5th of June. Postponed to the 5th of June for what purposes?
For pre-trial.
For pre-trial.
The legal representatives must collect the copies of the dockets. After this, and the DPP will hand it the contents of the dockets to them as soon as we receive proof of payment. But I can confirm that we already made the copies in that regard, so they are available. And that I undertake that if there are going to be any, if I receive any new statements, I will inform them accordingly and provided that to them. But, my lord, because of the issues, and today is in fact a waste of time, I think it is important to establish already today if the new lawyers and if the lawyers who are appearing today are, if they receive any financial instructions in this regard. I would rather prefer if you handle that, my lord.
Ms. Bester?
Okay, my lord, if the 5th of June is in order, I would ask the court to postpone the matter up until the 5th of June. Then two of my learned colleagues are going to address you regarding the bail conditions.
I absolutely love it when they say my learned colleagues. That means just the conversation, the communications, it just shows a lot of respect for one another in the courtroom, and also, the abidance of law. And I guess this is the law of how to talk to the court. Over here in the comment section, it gets a little bit to freedom of speech. So that's it from us today. Please remember to comment, like this video. Please like this video. Let's get this video likes up. I would really, really appreciate it. Subscribe and catch you on the next upload.